Brr. Is it just me, or is it cold in here? So what's the difference between a cold, warm, and a hot lead? Well, today we're going to talk about the differences as well as how you could turn that cold lead into a nice toasty hot lead. Hi, and welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. I'm Jonathan, and I'm here to help you find the tools to build your business online and offline. So let's talk about what each kind of lead is. Okay, so a cold lead. Okay, to put it in a simple term, a cold lead is somebody that has a problem and they haven't started looking for a solution yet. So we've all been there. We're relaxing, our phone starts ringing, it's a number we don't recognize, maybe it's even blocked, but we answer it anyways. Usually on the other end of the line, there's some nice person telling you that you've pre-qualified for a credit card or that you've won some sort of contest, maybe a free cruise. These people are people that you've never contacted or never shown any interest in their product or service, but they're contacting you anyways because you are now a cold lead. Somewhere along the line, they got your information, and they are using that information to hopefully turn you as a cold lead into a warm lead. No one wants their leads to be cold. It doesn't actually just have to be a phone call. It could be an ad on a website or a billboard on the side of a road. So as a marketer, your goal is to get those cold leads to become warm leads. Now, warm leads know or at least believe that there is some sort of solution out there for whatever their problem is. These leads will find you. These leads may have found you by finding you on social media, searching for you on Google or another search engine, or maybe a friend's referral. So to put it plainly, these people have expressed some interest in your product or your solution and are willing to learn more. They are problem aware. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button, and make sure you ring the bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. So remember, a warm lead is much more valuable than a cold lead. So, what should you be doing with all these warm leads? You should be trying to capture their contact information. Depending on what business you're in, that could be as easy as just having somebody enter their name, email, or phone number into a contact form. That's the first step in turning a warm lead into a hot lead. So what is a hot lead? A hot lead is somebody that is most likely the closest to buying. So one way that I get leads is when people join my Facebook group. When somebody searches for my Facebook group, they're probably using keywords to find it. They show an interest and ask to join my group, and one of my questions is asking for them to give me their email address. If they give me their email address, now I could email them directly whenever I want. Now that person that was a warm lead is now a hot lead. Some might say that just people searching for you on Facebook or Google would qualify you as a hot lead already, but until I've captured their contact information and I could reach out to them separate from them searching for me, I still consider them warm. It's called capturing a hot lead. Until you've captured it, it's still warm. And a popular way to capture hot leads is using something called a lead magnet. A lead magnet is a free product, usually a digital product that you could offer to somebody for free in exchange for their contact information. Just remember, the more valuable the free information or product that you're giving away, the more information that somebody will be willing to give you. Now that these new hot leads have heard of you and your products, they are now part of your ecosystem. You can now start to build a relationship and influence with them. They are now product aware. So what do you do to turn a cold lead into a warm lead and a warm lead into a hot lead? What advice would you give to a marketer just starting out? Let me know in the comments. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.